Emergency update. The nukes that hit Maine has caused nuclear winter in the country of Louisiana. However, most of the California girls have survived the nuclear winter. They are now different types of California girls. There are these following types. Human California girl. They are rapidly decreasing in number. Small groups remain. Flying California girl. They patrol the skies. They are taking refuge in forests and rural areas across the country. Titan Stalker California girl. This is the most dangerous type. Their leader Isabella Sacramento is a Titan Stalker. They can unite a Titan Stalker extremely aggressive.
This is an fallout warning for the country of New Jersey. Please stand by. Fallout is widespread across the country of New Jersey. Stand by for a map. Nukes have hit the following locations: Jersey City, Atlantic City, and Trenton. Fallout will permanently contaminate large areas of New Jersey. Evacuate now.